Here at Scott Legal, we know the ins and outs of immigration. We are here to help you navigate the oftentimes complex road in achieving your immigration goals. We have new immigration videos every week. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and bell. You can also sign up for one of our webinars, or get a free immigration guide, by clicking the link below. This video will look at answering two questions. The first is, what is the process to apply for a green card from within the US? And the second is, what is the process to apply for a green card outside of the US? Stick around, we have the answer to both. Foreign nationals may qualify to apply for permanent residency in the US through many avenues, including employment, family, investment, or humanitarian relief. If you are applying for a green card while you are physically in the US, you will apply using Form I-485. If you apply for a green card abroad, the application will be processed at a US consulate in the country where you reside.
Let's start with applying for a green card while in the United States.
Applying for a green card while in the United States is called an adjustment of status. This application is filed on Form I-485, application to register permanent residence or adjust status. The application contains biographic questions, as well as questions to help the immigration officer determine the applicant's eligibility, and whether there are any factors that would make them ineligible for the green card. For example, criminal issues or past immigration violations. The applicant must also submit supporting documents, a sealed medical exam and a filing fee. The exact documents and filing fee will depend on the category the green card applicant is applying under. After the application is submitted, the applicant will receive a receipt notice with a receipt number for their case. Applicants can also apply for work and travel authorization when they submit this application, and they may remain in the US while waiting for US Citizenship and Immigration Services to process the case. Once USCIS has reviewed the application, they will often call the applicant for an interview. After the interview, if the case is approved, the applicant should receive their green card in the mail within 60 days.
What is the process to apply for a green card at a U.S. consulate?
When you apply at a U.S. consulate, you go through a process called consular processing to obtain an immigrant visa. Under this process, the applicant will receive a notification from the National Visa Center to submit their supporting documents. After receiving this notification, the applicant will pay a visa fee and will submit Form DS-260 and supporting documents. The required documents are similar to what is submitted for an adjustment of status, but there are some differences. For example, you must submit a police certificate, and possibly more than one, if you have ever been arrested, or have lived in various countries in your life. After the National Visa Center has reviewed these documents, and is satisfied that they have all the required information, the case will be transferred to the U.S. Consulate for scheduling. The consulate will then reach out to the applicant with an appointment date. At this time, the applicant will also need to schedule a medical exam with a panel physician, in their country of residence. The medical exam should be completed far enough in advance of the appointment that the results can be sent to the consulate by the time of the interview. If the application is approved, the applicant will receive a sealed visa packet, and their passport will be stamped with the immigrant visa, which is generally valid for 6 months. The applicant must pay an immigrant visa fee, and then enter the US while the immigrant visa is still valid. When they enter, they will be taken to secondary inspection where an immigration officer will inspect their documents, and put an I-551 stamp in their passport. The I-551 stamp is proof of permanent residency, and provides work and travel authorization. The green card will then be mailed to the applicant within a month or two after their arrival in the United States. To learn more, take a look at our resources in the description box below. You can also sign up for a free visa guide, any of our upcoming webinars, and Facebook groups. You can also schedule a consultation for a date and time that is best for you. We are here to help. You can contact us by calling 212-223-2964 or by sending us an email. We look forward to hearing from you.